with all the candidates who chose politics as their topic. Now we're on to sports, where ironically many of them happen to be those people who did not choose sports but were given sports without any option. And first up we have Sandeep. Let's take a look at his clips.
Hello and welcome to Thunder Down Under with me, Sandeep. This is your daily dose of cricket from the ongoing Commonwealth Bank series in Australia. The Indian team, which is not having a particularly good time in Australia, recorded their first victory in the Tri-Series against their South Asian opponents, Sri Lanka. After being convincingly beaten in the first one-day against Australia, the Indian team had to pull up their socks and put up a better show against Sri Lanka. After winning the toss and electing to bat, Sri Lanka could notch up only 233 for the loss of 8 wickets, mainly due to some very tight bowling by the Indians. Hello and welcome to News 9 Cricket with me, Sandeep. This is your daily dose of everything cricket from all across the world. Today I have with me an ex-India cricketer, former India cricketer, a legendary cricketer. He's been one of the best wicket keepers India's ever produced, and he's also a Padma Shri Award winner. We have with us Mr. Syed Kirmani. Sir, thank you so much for sparing.
Yes, my pleasure, Sandeep.
Sir, we've read in the news, it's all over the media. You know, India's had a very poor series in Australia, and many people are calling for the heads of the senior cricketers, Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid and Laxman. The question is, are the younger generation, the next generation of cricketers, are they ready to fill the void that will be left behind by these cricketers if they do retire?
Well, I suppose it all depends on the youngsters. You just cannot remove the seniors just because they are going through a very bad form, which falls on every individual as well as a team. So this is the best phase that they are facing. That doesn't mean that they are bad or they are gone out of their whatever you may call it.
Right. So if you see the averages are not too good of the youngsters, then they've not played too many test matches as well. Kohli has played just 8 games, Raina's played 15, Rohit Sharma has not yet had a game. Do you think it would be too premature to blood them and then rest the senior players?
Well, Sandeep, you have to give them a chance somewhere down the line. Now already Raina has already been there. Rohit has already been.
Hello and welcome to the weekly sports bulletin right here on News 9 with me, Sandeep. What are the major happenings in the world of sports this week? Well, let's have a look. First, the big news in the Indian cricketing circles. Sahara India Parivar has cut its ties with the BCCI, withdrawing its sponsorship of the Indian team and ownership of the Pune Warriors team. The decision was announced on Saturday morning, an hour before the IPL 2012 auction, which went ahead without any representation from the Pune Warriors.
Well, Sandeep was the first contestant as far as sports was concerned. Step forward. Let's see how you fared in that. What did you personally think of your performance, given by what you've seen before and how confident everybody was in front of the camera?
I've been improving with every experience I've been having here at MediaStar, and I'm pretty happy with the way I've performed, although there are a couple of areas I could have done better at. And yeah, I'm sure with experience I'll only get better. Yeah.
Which one did you think was your best performance out of all the 3 tasks?
I guess it was the first and the third one. Yeah.
You didn't like the interview round?
I liked it, but my personal favorites were the third one. I wish we could have watched it for longer, but I like the way I moved from one piece of news to the other.
And you liked what you did. Let's see if the judges also liked what you did. Over to you.
Sandeep, I'm personally delighted to see you here. Okay, there's a big change between the persona on the screen and the persona here. But I think on the screen you're a born anchor. Okay, a born anchor. Let me put it that way, because I think you were terrific. You were tremendous. You were tremendous. I liked your sedate voice. Okay, I like the maturity that you bring to the table. Not too mature, not too little mature, both. And I like your hand actions. I like your guidance. I like your skill of questioning. I like everything that I've seen. I mean, I can't think of a single critique on the entire 3 episodes that I've seen, except for maybe when you were interviewing Kiri, maybe you should have dressed not in a blazer. Maybe you could have been dressed down a bit. Okay? Because that seemed a corporate type interviewing sports type. There are typifications. But that's very minor. Believe it or not, I think I'm very happy to have seen each of these clips. Totally delighted.
I'm very honored with your feedback, so thank you so much.
I was pleasantly surprised. I mean, seeing you earlier on, I thought you were really quiet, and you've really got a bag of tricks in there. And it was such a pleasure to listen to you, to watch you. It was so calming. I wanted to know. I really don't follow sports, but you know, I just needed to listen to you, and a bit on the diction, maybe, you know, the syllables, you know, where you cut, and like you said, legendary, it's legendary. But either way, it's just a few words, like, you know, you've got to work on your diction. And as far as the second one was concerned, when you were interviewing Kirmani, right? The angle that you were sitting at was really uncomfortable. If you could have just angled your chair a little more so that you didn't have to be facing the camera and then holding the mic over like this and, you know, talking like this and kind of looking. But if you just angled your chair a little more, it would have looked comfortable. And yeah, that was, and that's the body angle. And you could, and the last one, you had your hands just like that. And it was like as if they had gone to sleep. But even if you had linked it, you know, and just been a little more relaxed, because your voice, your face, everything was relaxed, but your hands were just there and just doing nothing. So, yeah, but otherwise...
And hopefully because of your face, nobody looked at your face.
Yeah, but I did, because we are supposed to be looking at the whole thing.
Later on in the video, I've
moved a bit? Oh, okay, then we should have seen a bit
maybe
more.
they have done some bit of a partiality there. They've cut that part wherein you have moved your hands and all.
But otherwise, I think on overall, tremendous. It's such a pleasant surprise. It's awesome. I think
You've made my day. Thank you so much.
Sandeep, since I know your background, I'm not really surprised that you could deliver what you did. Yeah, I knew from the beginning that you have been an RJ, and obviously you're a man with a lot of words. Apart from that, the very fact that cricket is your favorite subject, because that is what you have been choosing right from the beginning. I was pleasantly surprised to know that you were the top scorer when it came to your question answer round, which was excellent. What you did right now was fantastic. There was nothing wrong in that. But now it is time for you to step up and take it to another level. And one more thing, when you're doing an outdoor interview, it's in your hands. The camera person is your toy.
Okay.
So if it is a sports interview, I would rather have you maybe do a walkthrough with Syed Kirmani.
Yeah.
You went to the stadium,
right.
the KSCA grounds.
Right.
There's plenty of space there. Why don't you just take a walk with him? Make it very casual, very informal. You're walking, you're chatting, you're talking about the team and stuff like that. So that would be much more attractive for the viewer, instead of just having two people on the screen sitting and talking to each other, wherein you have got a fantastic backdrop. Right?
Right.
So those are the things that you need to work upon. But otherwise, fantastic.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.